Hello everyone, I'm welcoming you to my channel, and as usual today we're gonna talk about US trading session and make some trades, and let's start bit by bit. Okay, and then we will see um, results overall, which will be by the end of the month. Yesterday I closed most of the stocks and just left just leave the euro and Swiss franc position open. For now, Dow is opened in plus, but in general, I think that this is could be the false break which MMAs, market makers, big banks are using to get people inside. They will start to buy and they will increase their buy positions and of course, and then they will slam it down and the market will tank. um, the opening was good. The positive information from fundamental sources like jobless claims indicator and other economical news like many earnings report today came out also good. Housing starts have risen and plus Philadelphia manufacturing index, but it's not that significant, but it does have some good background. So let's hope for that market will take this idea of positive background and will finally reach our target at 31,400. I will try to open some good trades for you guys so you could see, as I said before, you can check other videos. There is difference for the professional to trade on any, as we think for more 20 years on the markets, we think that professional could start with any amount, but to be sure and to get the idea and the strategies that we use to yourself, we will use paper trading accounts so you can see it. Later on I will open Webull and you will see. I will also open TD and Robinhood, but for now there is some terms with my clients and the banks that we work with. We cannot open and reveal accounts that we have with brokers because it can affect some other guys inside. So let's concentrate on the trade itself. Today was European session and we did good, a lot of good movements. Uh, yes, we know that. I also know that it was a little bit early to close, but I always close. I do one thing. I always follow the discipline that any trader should have. If it reaches the target, you get out. You don't dream about greedy future with the Lambos and stuff. You just do the hard work, which is stable, and the more solid is your investment account, the more solid your future will be, and automatically the Lambos and everything will come, in the second position. So for now, I don't like. What I see is that Dow is trying to give another possible bad signal. Not bad. I mean, we could sell it directly, but as a perma bull, I would say that I wouldn't buy anything until fat yellow line at 31,200 will be broken. Before that, pardon me. Before that, making some trades would be, not so interesting. But let's check the futures counts and let's see the calls and the puts as we all use. Maybe some didn't use. Once again, I cannot say which exactly broker I'm looking right now, but in future you will see I will reveal most of the trades that we do. You can write that. Okay, so let's see that. Personally, I don't like to go against the trend. This is the main thing about permeable. If you are trading on the market itself, you must choose the sites before uh, anything inside will happen. What I mean is there's a huge trend, and this trend is confirmed by the long-term time frames, which means you cannot go against long-term time frame because your account will be vanished at the end. And but you can live like a perma year for now. But if the market is bullish inside and fundamentals and many factors are trying to say us that the market is strong, we stay on the bullish side. But you can also understand one thing, that you can take as much positions as you want. You take a lot of profits during the day, but overall the sustainability of your account is monthly and 3 6 month basis. It's not like a one time trade and you just and you're a billionaire. So I'm checking the um, Amazon because it reached 3,300. Okay, just bear with me 1 sec. Okay, let's see the two-factor authorization is here, so I have to confirm some stuff before I get logged in. Okay, so what we do here, um, let's see. Okay, let me check the Amazon, because Amazon does have unusual movements and options. The strike prices are moving significantly. Okay, the bid-ask spread is pretty high, but not on premiums. The premiums are still kind of in the same position as it was yesterday, which basically means that there's a strike price for 3,335, which expires in the 1 week. Just 1 sec, please. Which expires tomorrow, and as I said again, once again, there's a strike price of 300,340. Let's see if the real stocks will be there. What I mean is, does it have some big bullish traps that the guys, MMAs and hedge funds are using to get people inside, to get them, with especially retails. And there is, as I said, like the situation here, that it's the opening of the Dow Jones was kind of a suspicious today, because I thought after the break of 300 and the previous high, it will walk up, but the volumes are still the same. Some of the some of the volume caps are moving, but in in general terms, there is no any clear bullish entry right now. I say that. I mean, there is signals to get in, but just for a couple hours maximum. I can't hold the stocks for the whole day ahead, which means that for 3 days ahead. So let's do this. Let me show you that this thing here on this indicator will show us that this is gonna be it's gonna go down, and to show you this, I will take the bear side today. So you will see that there's nothing bad to be bear, but not for long, maybe by the end of tomorrow, because there's a Friday tomorrow. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna short Amazon first, because it's definitely a trend. Let's sell Amazon first. Okay, then there's Tesla. Let me check the Tesla stock prices, what they think we have. Okay, it's kind of except that tomorrow tomorrow's expiration of options, the highest one is 870, which basically means this is another bull trap. So let's sell Tesla too. Okay, let's sell Tesla, and Google have reached its. There's a difference in the structure of the movement. I'm going to just be attentive to that point. There is structural the movement has its own structure. Inside the structure, there's a law of the movement formations itself. For example, just for instance, if market jumping high with no credibility as the movement itself, what I mean is that the spike of the 1 minute cards, 50 minutes, let's say 50 minutes. You see that the movement to my target at 18 at 1812 was a very long and very slow, but it breaks up the 1900 as a butter with the same without same movement as it was before, which means it's not structural trend movement. It's fast, it's rapid, and it's made for killing accounts and positions. If movement is step by step building and creating the psychological levels, then the movement is solid and it's good for investment. So, but I get a lot of stuff, but the results show it all. Okay, I will sell Google too and Apple. I didn't get the Apple at the bullish side, but maybe I will get it because it's also the same. What I mean is the strike price is very close, which basically means that the hedge funds are not so thrilled about future of the bullish movement itself inside in short-term period. Okay, so let's start. Okay, and that's probably I will update you tomorrow too. But just let's just Baba. As I said, Baba does have a lot of suspicious cases that are still not open. That it's not that trustable as it was before. So I will get in on that. But I will check Netflix because there is some good movement to be there. Okay, 582. I will put limit order on 584. Let me check if I have. No, I don't. Okay, so I'm just gonna sell them at 584. Yep. So this is it, and let's check the other markets because let's check cryptos because cryptos today I was monitoring it and it reached the exactly the level at 30,800 as you recall from previous. It's moving to, as I said, to 30,000. Psychological um, valuable level for traders and the funds. So I will start to buy Bitcoin on 30,100. And let's see euros. What's happening there? Okay, just 1 second. I'm almost done. Just need to. And we are here. Okay. So as you recall, yesterday I opened it buy position on euros. I bought it on 21.04. Today I was making some other trades on Middle East markets with it. So basically we are in profit. I need to hold it again because it's going to retest at least this level. This is minimum resistance test. I'm hoping it will be higher than 37, which was the previous low, previous high, sorry. And I'm gonna sell. I also sold the short for Swiss, and it's 89, yes, and 50 points I already have. On Euro also 50 points in profit. So there's some big fight going on with the Dow right now, but let's sum it up. And tomorrow I will update you as usual again today by 11 p.m. I will 11 p.m. Eastern. I will start the open session because euro will start to work, and then we will see where it's gonna be by the end of the month. Okay, so thank you all for your